Hi, my hot and cold water are now reversed in the shower after installing a new cartridge and mixer cap. I've read that I should rotate the mixer cap 180 degrees, but that doesn't make sense as the handle ends up pointing straight up at 12 o'clock in the off position. I removed the temperature limiter, and can now turn the stem, but my understanding is that is just to make big temperature changes. This is a single handle shower using the Kohler GP77759. Please help. In the photo, I've removed the temperature limiter. The stem does not rotate 360 degrees. It only rotates from 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock.
Hello, my name is I Can Assist. I just need to verify the trim kit for the faucet. Can you please attach a picture?
Hi Brian, here it is. I went ahead and reinstalled it so that I could at least have a functioning shower. I adjusted the temperature so it is at least a little bit better. After following the Kohler video, I installed it so that the red limiter was in the closed position at 7 o'clock and the black tab on the mix valve was at noon. I know it has to be so simple, and I'm just being super stupid. Thanks.
After making those changes, did you adjust the brass Allen screw to give more range for hot, or does the faucet start hot to go cold as you go counterclockwise?
It basically starts hot and then goes cold.
The valve stem assembly is upside down. You will need to pull the stem out of the body, make the rotation and reinstall. It is a snug fit when pulling the stem from the black part of the body. Then everything should work as designed.
You mean the whole brass stem has to come out? Can I literally pull it out of the mix valve? Any suggestions how to do that? Seems like I would shut off the water and leave the mix valve installed, and then pull it out. And then what? What do I rotate? Can you provide any photos or any other guidance? Thanks.
Not a problem. Try this video as it breaks down the valve and the stem. https://www.youtube.com/watch V equals VWHD8 VMUB. You will need to shut down the water again to do the work. If you have more questions, please let me know, and if this works for you, please don't forget to leave 5-star feedback.
Thanks, Brian. But that video doesn't help. It doesn't show me how to remove the brass stem, or what I need to rotate, etc. It only shows what the inside of the mix valve looks like and gives no insight about how to remove that brass stem. I took some pliers and pulled on the brass stem and that thing is not moving at all. Any thoughts?
Okay, sorry about that. I know this must be frustrating. Try this link http://helptopics.us.kohler.com/link/portal/5641/5712/article/640/ why am I getting hot water first out of a right temp bath shower valve?
Hey man, I'm sorry. I don't get it because my mix valve is already installed in the correct position. So right now the handle is in the proper off position. Before I changed the mix valve, everything was fine. Water went from cold to hot. If I rotate the mix valve now, the handle will be at noon when it's turned off, and I'll have to turn it clockwise to 6 to turn it on. Doesn't make sense.
No problem, the piece in the handle should rotate. It's called the spline adapter. That should allow you the range of motion. Just wanted to check and see how you are making out with the faucet.
Brian, I'm going to have to look at this again tomorrow. I'll let you know. Thanks.
Okay, if you need anything from let me know.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.